All right, guys, so what do you know? We got ourselves another 70s F-100, actually, this time. So this is the second Ford pickup, 70s Ford pickup that we have gotten in the past month. So we might have a little bit of a problem. We got to start this purchase off right. We're going to do an oil change on it. I've literally on the truck for like an hour. I've been eyeballing this thing for a while. I think I got a pretty good deal on it, but this isn't going to be a walk around video. This is going to be kind of a quick introduction of what we got going on the channel. Obviously we have the 77 that we got to work on here soon, but let's go ahead and do a quick oil change on this thing, and I might give you guys a walk around here. Where is it? Dipstick on the oh. Okay. Alright, good on oil. I'm gonna go ahead and change it real quick. You have an extension? All right, guys, so we do not have the right size socket, so we're gonna go ahead and use this crescent wrench right here. This sucker is tight as heck, so hopefully we can get this thing off. It almost feels like we need a breaker bar. Golly, why is it so tight? Gotta break it free. Yeah, all right, broke free. Holy crap.
Was that bad?
Yeah, tight as heck. Let's go ahead and spill this everywhere. Still can't believe I found a 4-wheel drive.
That's all it is.
Yeah. You ain't lying. All right. RIP in my hands. Oh, frick. Okay. Oil looks good.
Makes such a big mess.
Huh?
You get all over your hands.
I know.
I've never had that big of hands.
Well, the design.
The design.
You can't not get dirty. Well, actually, I probably could have, but glad I don't have any shop towels or anything to clean my hands.
Totally should have just bought some while we were at Walmart.
Yeah, I should have. Don't even have carb cleaner or anything. Actually, I do. You know what? I might have you run to my room, grab on the right side of the door, there's AutoZone bag with carb cleaner, and just grab some paper towels from the sink area. You gonna do that? I can't because my hands are disgusting. Okay, my key is locked.
Oh my god. Killing me. Killing me, Kyle.
I'm sorry. Well, guys, while this is draining, I guess I'll show you a quick tour of the underneath. Now, we got a 4-wheel drive F-100. Rust-free, essentially. This sucker is mint. Oh, yeah. Okay, about that. The rear diff has a bad pinion bearing, but we got a solution for that already. We're good. We got the code right here for the 4-wheel drive. I'm gonna take a look at that here soon. But yeah, solid bones. I'm so excited. No, this one is not getting sold. I'm keeping this thing forever. I'm gonna fix some little stuff we got here and there. This is the worst part of the rust. Not bad at all. I can deal with that. Same for that side, but that's it. And the door has a tiny bit of rust, so I'll show you guys that later. But this is gonna be a quick introduction video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this oil changed and see what we're rocking with. Gotta take some leverage, I guarantee you. Oh, not bad. You mind sliding that thing over? The pan? No, the pan. Yeah, just keep it. Other way. just like straight towards the other wheel. Right there. There you go. Okay. Wonder how old this filter is. Don't look super old. But, and the oil doesn't look bad. And he said apparently he doesn't have to add a whole lot. He claimed he didn't have to add any oil per change, but I doubt it. But honestly, it did drain a bunch, so we'll kind of see how much is in that container. You know how many quarts is in that drain pan? How many ounces?
I think it's... I'm not sure.
Probably like 5 or so.
It's like 6.
6?
Yeah, that's
So
plenty.
it's a 6 quart capacity each oil pan. So let's just go ahead, clean this oil filter housing. Make sure there's no other O-ring in there. We didn't get a funnel, but luckily these things are easy to...
Do you want a funnel?
We may
I have an oil funnel in my toolbox.
Yeah, we'll do that in a minute. I'm gonna pre-fill this filter a little bit, not crazy because it's totally sideways.
That's how mine is too.
Yeah, so that'll be good up there. Oil up that O-ring. Okay. Man, I love it, the design. This is the easiest oil change ever. And the fact that it's a 4-wheel drive, it doesn't have the twin I-beam cross member going right across where when you change oil, it pours from 5,000 different directions because it just lands right on the I-beam itself. Okay, that should be good. Now, we'll go ahead. Old 15W40 for this old girl. It's got all the vitamins and minerals that this thing needs. So, hopefully that oil pan bolt drain plug is not gonna leak down the road. I don't think that it was an original plug either. But glad everything in here is relatively stock. Plug wires aren't all over the place. Yeah, we do have a dang Edelbrock crappy carb on there, but she'll get the job done. I might put a Holly on there later, different intake manifold. We shall see. Okay. All right, we slightly overfilled it, but we're gonna go ahead and see if we put way too much in there. It's a little more like right here.
That's fine.
It'll be all right. We're gonna send it. I'm sure it's happened this thing a time or two before, but that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. We're gonna have a full walk around specs on this truck, everything, so stay tuned to it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.